We are the finest luxury house construction company. We have 25 years experience in the field and done 2000 plus projects successfully. Imagine a life of opulence where every detail is meticulously crafted to your perfection. A majestic homes we bring your vision to life, employing a team of dedicated professionals who turns dream into reality. We understand that luxury is not just about the aesthetics, it's about creating a haven, a sanctuary you can call home. Visit our extinguished showroom where our knowledgeable team will assist you to customize your dream home, tailoring in your unique taste and style. Experience the feeling of garden every time you arrive at your majestic home with its awe-inspiring architecture and unbearable beauty. So contact us today and visit our website for more information.